I think I'm in the bad part of town. Hey! All you beautiful people, welcome back to Bioshock Infinite. Episode 2! Let's just get into it.
Penny to a vending machine?
Okay, give me this. Free powers. Hell yeah.
They're all yours.
Let me take a big ass chunk. Thank you. Okay, what the fuck is this? Oh. What the fuck? Oh. Yeah, this is not what I signed up for. I just wanted a free sample. What the hell did I just take? Did I just get molested? Did I just get molested? What was that? What the fuck? Oh, that's cool, I like that. So now I can use that. What the? Yeah, what was that? That was fucking weird. Salt's full. Use phonograph. Nah, no thank you. No, I've already seen that. I want to see what this big ass dude is up to. Hey! What the fuck? What is going on with this guy?
Right up and see the eighth wonder of the world.
Oh, the handyman. Live forever with Betterman's auto bodies. Holy shit.
See such amazing feats of technological prowess.
I mean, if I was to die, I'd love to get a robot body, but I don't know about that. That's a little bit much. I mean, a body's a body. Holy shit, his head is big. Alright. Got some lovely people playing. Okay. The skylines of Columbia. By using possession on the ticket taker. Oh, ticket taker? What the hell is a ticket taker? Which one's a ticket taker? Where's the ticket taker at? Whatever. Record your own voxophone.
Here you're going to say something, Sonny.
Hi.
What's a voxophone?
Oh.
What's a voxophone?
Exactly that.
Thought I was gonna talk.
Hey, just so we're clear, I'm not paying for this.
Just a demonstration, sir.
Okay, okay. Thank you though, thank you. Where is that ticket booth he was just talking about? There's no way I lost him. This? Your vigors are powered by salts. Find more if you're on low. Okay, what do we got? Bucking a Bronco unlock. That's $375. I am far away from being able to buy that. Okay. Another hot dog? Don't mind if I do. Thanks.
Those dirty box are at it again.
Look at this. Oh, can I play? Tell me I can play. Oh my god, yes! Guys, I'm so good at this. I mean, I know I should be moving on in the game, but I have to enjoy this while I'm here. You know? Oh my god, the hip fire? Don't even get me started. Okay, I'm doing so good. Bonk. 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 Oh my god, I'm an expert. I'm an expert at this. What? I was 1 point away. Are you serious? Hold on, let me do that again. 1 sec. Come on. Come on. Yes! I mean, that was easy. That was easy. That was nothing. This is nothing to me. Woo! Give me that money. Yes! Hell yeah. Flags? Cool. A clown. I'm fucking watching you. Fucking watching you. Robo horses. I don't like the robo horses, I'm gonna be honest. They're a little freaky. Colombian flag coat. I want a hot dog. Never mind, I've had 2 already. Not enough. This way. Oh, okay. Okay. Salt's buy ticket.
The raffle is all sold out.
I need more salt. I think if I go to one of the hot dog stands, I can get salt from the dogs. Give me a salty ass dog, bro. Ooh, popcorn. No salt? What? What? I'm so disappointed. Check the trash. Nothing. I need salty delicacies, please. Delicacies, yes. Where do I get myself some salt? Hold on, let me go find some salt quickly. I'm making this take forever. Salt, anybody? I need salt. Hello. Salt. I need salt. I got salty nuts, but I need actual salt. Sardines? No salt, Matt? Ooh, salt. I need more salt. Oh my god. How much salt do I need? Just drink the ocean water. Alright. We're super far away from the ocean. Are we? Yeah. Yeah, we are. We're very far away. Wait, wasn't there salt at the stand with the possession thingy? With the possession figure? Oh my god. Oh my god. There was, wasn't there? I'm on my way! Damn, that's a cool ass statue. Hey! Yes! I was right. Thank you! Appreciate it. Bonk.
Well, if it isn't Assemblyman Buford, your spot at the raffle awaits.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Why I didn't recognize you before.
Oh.
Heads.
Or tails.
Come on, let me through.
Heads.
Or
tails.
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 Yes!
Told you. I never find
What?
that satisfying as I'd imagined.
But you know, there's always next time.
I suppose there is.
What the fuck? Is that a rigged coin? Or is it just heads on both sides? Okay, well, whatever. Aw, hey kids. What the hell is that? That's kind of cool, I want that. Dog. Ooh, a health kit. Do I want one? Why would I want a health kit? Alright, now at least. Nah. I'm gonna save my money.
He looks lost.
I look lost.
He looks just fine to me.
Why thank
You're a living walking scandal.
I am quite devilishly handsome myself. Alright.
My role model? Well, Lady Comstock, of course.
Lady Comstock. God.
This little
What is that?
The whole division got them.
Is that a grappling hook?
Flush the Vox out of the Skyline system. We gotta have the best.
Ooh. Are the Vox like the splicers? Whew. Is that good? That's not good. What is going on? It was just shaking. Cool. Alright. Kids, you good? Ooh, the stuff. Candy bar. Oh, that looks good. Alright. I got a little audio log.
Madam Lutece, I have read all your books on the sciences. Mama says it's not a fit occupation for a lady, but I think she's jealous of our cleverness. Is it true that only you are allowed to visit the girl in the tower? If the lamb is lonely too, I should like to meet her, as we would have much in common. Warmest regards, Constance.
Okay, that's a cool story by the little girl. But yeah, what's with the tattoo? You calling me a devil? Hey, I might have done some bad things, but I'm not a horrible person. Don't worry. Well, I was drinking alcohol in my house back in that flashback. That's a sin. I be sinning. Hey, folks.
This is it.
I feel like I've
Oh, hey.
waited all year for this. We'll see about that. I'm feeling
Is it Easter or something? I'm taking a little walk through the park. There's so many peeps. What's up, folks?
The 1912 raffle.
Yes, the
has
raffle.
Officially begun.
I didn't put anything in. Me. Oh, what's up, dude? Hey, sorry, lady. Ma'am. I apologize. What's up? Hey.
Sorry, no
I-
sale.
Silly. There's never a charge for the raffle. You've been sleeping under a rock?
Ooh.
77.
77. That's a lucky number. I'll be rooting for you.
Thank
Bring
you.
me the bowl. Is that not the prettiest young white girl in all of Columbia?
That sounds very weird.
All
You say it like
right,
that.
then. The winner is number.
Let's
77.
fucking go, boys! Woo!
Number 77.
Yes!
Come and claim your prize.
What am I getting?
First throw.
At what? What is... What the
It was me. It was all me.
What the fuck is this? What the fuck is this?
Hey, what are you doing?
Oh, they're racists!
Are you gonna throw it, or are you taking your coffee black these days?
Oh my god. I was just gonna say how he's talking about the white girl.
Know what you want.
I feel like I've only seen white people.
Oh, looks like we've got a shy one here.
Bonk! Oh.
It's him.
Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh.
Where'd you get that brand, boy? Don't you know
What are you doing with those people?
The backstabbing snake in the grass, false shepherd?
and we ain't letting
Guys,
no
what the
shepherd into our flock.
I don't know how I got the tattoo.
Show them what we got planned, boys.
This took a fucking turn. Grab the ball. What the fuck is happening? Oh my god! What the fuck?
Stop him! Stop
What
him!
the fuck?
The bull shepherd's got to lead our lamb astray!
How do I tag? Oh, bonk. What the
Come on now.
I knew it was too good to be true.
Disconnect.
I thought it was actually gonna be nice. Of course it's bad. You fucking racists! I'm not fucking with racist type around here. Let my homies go. Maybe they're criminals. Maybe I'm standing up for like the worst people ever. What do I know? Bonk! Bonk! Doesn't matter. Bonk! Bonk! They're gonna kill me anyways. I think I'm the false shepherd.
This way. Cover the gate.
I do have the tattoo. Don't cover the gate. Leave the gate open. Bonk! Bonk! Oh my god, your head. Oh, you got a gun. I'll hide. Come at me. Come here, bro. Wanna get bonked? Wanna get bonked? Bonk! Get bonked. Ooh, I got a gun. I got a gun. Okay. Wait, no, I need to get there. How do I go there? Fight your way to Monument Island. Holy shit, okay. Alright. None of this is good. This is the perfect time to listen to a voice journal.
I told you, Comstock. You sell them paradise, and the customers expect cherubs for every chore. No menials in God's kingdom. Well, I have a man in Georgia who'll lease us as many Negro convicts as you can board. Why, you can say they're simple souls in penance for rising above their station.
Oh my god.
Whatever eases your conscience, I suppose.
Why did I eat that apple? No fucking way. They're a bunch of racists. Oh my god. No. Has the ability to possess humans who suicide when the effect expires. What? What am I gonna do? Kill themselves? I'm gonna save my money. I'm coming on here. Oh! Bonk! Don't you scare me, man! Don't you scare me! Bonk, bonk. Okay. Let me out of here. Robot, you're mine now. Oh, you're cool looking. Pineapple. Get everything. How do I move? How do I get out of here? How do I move? How do I leave? Maybe I just go this way. Yep, exactly this way. Okay. Oh. Don't even mess with me. Don't even mess with me, my friend. Where am I going? Whew. Oh my god, I'm smoking everyone. Oh. Guys, I need to get to the statue. Sorry. This could have been the perfect place, and of course they had to be racist. Fuck sakes. Bonk! Bonk! Get out of here. Okay. How do I heal? I'm getting shot. Take everything. Just steal. Maybe I am as bad as they say. I'm stealing everything. What's in here? I'm full of salt. Nice. How do I heal myself? Hold on. Am I recording? Ah, okay, good I am. Thank God. Oh, I was gonna say. Okay, so it seems like I can't just carry medkits on me, so I have to actually be careful. Can I just get on through here?
It's getting hot. What's going on?
I think I'm in the bad part of town. Okay, alright, bad part of town. Bad part of town. Bro, who the hell even are you? Bonk. Oh my god. I don't need accuracy. Enemies drop their weapons. Do they now?
Kiss. Well, you only live once.
Yep, just crack the head off. Slurper. Yep. Fire and short burst to maintain accuracy. Ouch.
Press to throw a fiery grenade.
Ooh.
Hold and release to create an explosive trap.
Alright. Cool. Big fan of that.
That wasn't no sample.
Devil's Kiss, press right mouse to throw a fire grenade. Okay, cool. Okay. Cool beans. Anything up here? I'm gonna stick to them with the high ground. Hack that. That's mine now. Thank you, thank you. Health 30 full. Good, good. Guys, guys. Oh, okay. You know what? You know what? Fuck you guys. That's it. It's personal. It's personal. It's personal. Give me your pears. Give me your oranges. I want it all. Any goodies over here? Why you shoot me? Oh, they don't stay hacked? Are you serious? Oh, fuck. Make a run for it. Run! Ooh. Okay. There's a pig. Bonk. Left, right, left, right, left, right, straight. Leave area. Well, I want to quickly check if there's anything out here. Ooh, bread. I'm a fan of bread. What the fuck is that? Ah! Let me in. Yep, let me in. Let me in. Okay. Whew. That went to shit quickly. Very quickly. Season Pass awarded you 4 gear pieces, a golden machine gun upgrade, and a golden pistol upgrade. Industrial Revolution awarded you 500 sil- Okay. Okay. I don't know. Alright, I don't know what any of that is. Looks like all your rewards for continuing to... Okay. A lot of cool rewards. Let's see. It seems like we're in the thick of it now, so I'm gonna try and yank anything I can find on my way, because I feel like there's gonna be more fighting. I'll look back at opening day. Let's check her out. Let's check her. Another fine production by the Word of Prophet. The dream of the prophet is finally aloft. Wow. Columbia begins her journey to spread America's vision to the world. Nice. That was shit. Thought there was gonna be more. Prophet stands up to foes within and without. Yes. I'm very... The Chinese boxers take hostage American innocents. Oh, they don't like Chinese either, huh? Prophet in Colombia, stand up for America. Yes! That guy. What thanks does Colombia get? Washington Comstock, stand down. Yeah, they're always against us. We stand behind the Prophet. I don't like you. Anyone, in any game where someone's a prophet, it just does not turn out well. Not at all. We secede from the so-called Union. Ah. A cowardly America recalls her finest city. No thanks, says the prophet. We're fine on our own. Good for you guys. you just fucking dip out. You just disappear. Rest of the country doesn't like what you're doing? Ascend them to the clouds. Okay, alright. I'm gonna have to call this episode quits for now. Need to keep these episodes short, so I can get them up, keep them going. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked, like it. If you want to comment, you should definitely comment. And definitely subscribe. Because us hanging out like this is very cool. Come back, I want to see you again. You're a cool person. Hell yeah. That's all I have to say. Peace, guys. You best be back in the next episode. I'm waiting for you. Bye.